Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We want to solve another cool integral today, and in order to get there, we're going to need this cool property. So the integral from a to b of f of x dx is exactly this, the integral from a to b of f of a plus b minus x dx. Now we solved this on the channel just using a little u sub, so it's a pretty instant result, and we're going to apply it right here in this cool integral. Okay. All right, so let's take a look here. So we have the integral from minus pi over 2 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus e to the sine of x dx. Now, by the property that we just mentioned, so we were given something like this, we can say that this is equal to, well, the integral from minus pi over 2 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus e to the sine of, well, the sum of the bounds, which is 0, minus x. So 0 minus x, that gives me negative x. And so the next thing we want to do is keep in mind that sine is an odd function, right? And so sine being an odd function means that we can rewrite this with the minus in front. So we get the following. So we've got the integral from minus pi over 2 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus e to the minus sine of x dx. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of algebra here. So we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by e to the sine of x. So that means we have e to the sine of x here over, well, this will be e to the sine of x right here, and this will be plus 1. So yeah, that was multiplying the top and the bottom by e to the sine of x. Well, this seems pretty promising. So what we want to do is take a look right here and take a look right here. So these are equal. Imagine what would happen if you added these together, right? The integral is additive, meaning you could write this as a single integral. And so this plus this is 1. Let's use that. Okay, so now, so separate from this. So now we have that this original integral plus itself, right? So I'm taking this and I'm adding it to itself. This could be thought of as the original integral plus, well, we said that this is exactly equal to this, so I can substitute, right? So the second term I'm going to substitute with exactly this. So that means I've got the integral from minus pi over 2 to pi over 2 of e to the sine of x over e to the sine of x plus 1 dx. But the integral is additive, right? So since the integral is additive, we can rewrite this as a single integral. This is the integral from minus pi over 2 to pi over 2 of 1 plus e to the sine of x. I mean, these have common denominators, right? So we're just fine here. And so this is over 1 plus e to the sine of x. How cool is that? Dx. That means we're just integrating 1 on this interval. Okay, and so we know that the integral of 1 should be, well, b minus a. And so if I do b minus a, that's going to be exactly pi. But we want to be careful here, right? Because this was the integral added to itself. So the integral added to itself is equal to pi. So that means that the original should be half of that. And so the integral from pi over 2 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus e to the sine of x dx is exactly pi over 2.